Hey there, Gladiators, how are we going? I'm out here in Boonah and we're doing this beautiful house for a client who just wanted things to be done properly. So far we've already put the roof on and it's a Trimdeck from LYSAGHT, a monument mat profile with all full wrap fascias, barges. We've got 200 half round gutters on it. I'll spin you around and show you what I'm talking about. So here we go. As you can see, you've got the 200 half round gutters. It's a bit dirty at the moment, still a construction site. The Trimdeck up there. Take you for a bit of a walk. Still under construction, so lots still to do, and it's not the finished result. But as you can see, we've done these wrapped barges, and what we do on these is you can see, because oil canning is a big issue and it's really quite a challenge to fix up. So as you can see up the very top, there's a fine line. So we put a 15mm brake with a 177 degree outturn, and then we do that same at the bottom. What that does is puts pressure on the outside of it so that it makes it bow a little bit, removing the oil canning. Makes it look mint rather than looking wobbly as hell. So it's all looking really good. The brickwork that they've done here looks fan-bloody-tastic. It looks really good. It's rare to get such sharp, clean lines, and the type of house that they're building. I mean, look at the view out here. You can see the beautiful view through the valley down here out at Boonah. But what I'm here to do today is I've measured up, because we're putting the end seam by LYSAGHT in monument mat on these walls. So I'll be back here and showing a few how-to videos on what to do with all of that. But that's what we're doing. Just wanted to give a bit of an update on it all and share one of these projects I'm really happy with. The boys that worked on this one predominantly was Rob, Deng and Ed, and as a team they worked tirelessly to get this looking really good. And as you can see, like if you look up that valley, it comes up, goes over the top and comes back down the other side. So that's, and then if we look, let me take you over here, hang on. And then up over there, the valley actually goes up underneath the ridge cap. It's got a 4-point join which it goes down in 4 different directions, and it goes under there, then we've ridge capped over the top of that. So it's not like an open gap up there. It's fully sealed. Yeah, it looks really good. Now, one of the things, if we look, I don't like to normally pull out our faults, but as you can see here, there's some oil canning on this fascia wrap here. There is an easy solution to fix that, and what that is in the design of the flashings, you can see that there's a rib and then there's another rib of sheet out here. So all we need to do on that is put another screw on the outer part of that barge up that side. That'll put pressure down and pop all of that out, because of the way that we've done that flashing with the little lines. You can barely see the lines, but yeah, it's come up. A little bit of cleaning up we've got to do on the silicone work up the top there. But yeah, it's come up really good. Customer's really happy. And so now I'm going to go back to the office and finish drawing up and ordering up all the material, and I'll be back here next week. Gotta love doing it. There's a few other little challenges that they wanted us to do. They didn't know how to finish some things off, and then my creative juices got flowing, and I decided, all right, well, we do this. It turned into, just instead of just flashing it and boxing it out, we're actually going to wrap it, clad it, and make it look the way that it should look, in my opinion. I'll just show you one other thing. He said to us, like, one of the things is this wall here, he doesn't want to put FC on it because it gets the western sun. So he wants to clad that and finish that all in. He's going to put some FC sheeting in there. And then also around this garage door, which is a monument mat garage door by the boys at Genuine Garage Solutions. They're doing a great job. It's probably one of the better doors I've seen. The way that they put their brushwork and the weather seals on it, seals up really nice and tight. Mate, you guys have done a great job.
Pretty good, eh?
Yeah, mate, I've seen lots of roller doors.
Yeah.
This one's just tidy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's what you do, I guess. Do you have a card at all?
Yeah.
I get asked all the time by builders because they don't want to go down that typical, pathway.
Yeah.
So, very good. All right, thank you. Cheers. Yeah, so what we're going to do on here is we're going to wrap this timber. We're going to tuck it into these weather strips here. We're going to pull them off. We're going to pull this across around there, tuck it in behind there, and wrap all of that, and then pull that out, box that up, and close that whole section in there. So the builder's going to go through and frame all that so that we can get a nice fixing to it. All right, I haven't showed you the back of the house yet, but anywho, we're not doing that wall. as you can see, there's the other side of where that 4-point transition goes. Anyway, rightio, we will see you on the job.